Okay, so we're taking a look at Solana. Right now, it's looking bearish. We're going to want to watch on the weekly to see if there's a close below 150, because that's going to be a major support area. So if we look at the stochastic RSI, it's swinging down. Everything is right now. We had the huge pump in April and May. Things are cooling off from very overbought conditions. Now if we look at the MACD, we might be close to another convergence to the downside. It really all just depends on what happens in these next couple of weeks. We're above several moving averages for a while. Now on the daily, the stochastic RSI has been sitting at the bottom for quite some time now. A couple fake outs, and the MACD is showing further downside. Once again, I'm going to be watching to see if it closes below 150. Now if we see the stochastic RSI swing way up to the upside, we could be looking to get back into this 170 range. We saw quite a bit of consolidation here. However, these past couple days, it dumped pretty hard. Considerable amount of liquidation, once again under that 150 range. So breaking below there, likely going to see Solana drop even more. Now at the top, back around that 175 range, I'm thinking more of if we break that 178 range, we may see it go towards 190. However, that did already happen, but there wasn't quite enough strength to take it further. Now the last thing to look at here is going to be the Bitcoin dominance. It's been in a steady uptrend for quite some time now. It dipped here, kind of when we saw Solana and other altcoins perform very well. Now another thing to keep watch on is going to be Ethereum, because it's kind of the king of the altcoins. When Ethereum pumps, everything else follows. I'm going to make a separate video though on Ethereum, so I'm not really going to cover that right now. Overall, it's just going to be important to see with this next week and this upcoming week where Solana wants to go. If we see further consolidation here, that could be a good sign, but I think throughout the summer we likely won't see any type of pump from Solana. However, closer to the fall and the winter, we may break above that 200 mark depending on what Bitcoin's doing and Bitcoin dominance as well. I'm going to make a video on Ethereum tomorrow.